Hey, you tourists. It's your boy Domination. This is Packer Basic. Chuck of the deuces, I would text, baby. Man, that does back. Do it is. Real man rise up, fake man rise down. Real woman rise up, fake woman rise down. Preacher on. And today's topic to talk about is your mama said this, your mama said that. Why is they always put your mama said this, your mama said that? It's that mama joke. They gotta stop with that mama joke. But mamas always say this, all that. Mamas, they always right? They always right. And a question and a story. But they can become wrong sometimes, but they always feel like they're right. But that's just my commentary. Just give me your comments, then your response, and tell me why you think that is. But that's just my commentary. Give me your comment, give me your video response, and tell me what you think of this video. It's your boy Domination. This is Backer Basic. Chuck of the deuces, I would text, baby. Until next time. All right. Peace. I'm out. Peace.